Let's explore how to create a purchase order in Sigzen ERP. You can access the purchase order by typing in the awesome bar. You can see all the previous purchase orders and click on Add Purchase Order to create a new order. You can create a purchase order from various sources and manually. Go to the Get Items From and see all the various sources such as Product Bundle, Material Request, and Supplier Quotations. If you want to create a purchase order from Material Request, then click on Material Request. All the Material Request orders will pop up. Select one or more orders and click on the Get Items button. Similarly, if you want to create a purchase order from Supplier Quotations, then click on Supplier Quotations and select the orders and click on the Get Items button. Alternatively, you can also add all the details manually. Select the supplier and required date. If you want to add a cost center, then add the cost center in accounting dimensions. Select a currency and price list. In the target warehouse, select the appropriate warehouse for this order. In the items table, add the purchase items in item code. All the details will be fetched automatically. Check and change the details if necessary. Taxes and charges will be added automatically. Enter additional discount if necessary. Add payment terms in the Terms section. And then save and submit to create a purchase order successfully.